Good evening, welcome to Primetime News. I'm Anupama Suvarna and now the headlines. Shamina Shafiq in morning mist, investigating for proper report. Fog disrupted flight service, 3-hour delay in operations. Gateway Cardamom relaunched, offers traditional Tuluva cuisine. Shamina Shafiq, member of National Commission for Women, arrived in Mangalore city to investigate the morning mist homestay incident wherein partying boys and girls had been beaten up by HJV activists. She held a meeting in Circuit House. Later speaking to media person, she said that she would meet each victim personally and prepare the report shortly and submit it to the chairperson of National Commission for Women. The 2 boy victims complained that the State Women's Commission chief did not meet them prior to preparing the report, and she also termed the homestay incident as shocking and unfortunate. Also said action taken report, which the DGP and Karnataka police had asked to submit within 10 days, has still not been submitted to the National Commission for Women. I will be in city for another 2 days and speak to each victim individually and to the police, she added.
I would not be able to comment upon that because that is a state commission and they have given the report whatever they thought. But what is unfortunate is because I spoke to 2 victims and both of them said that the state commission did not even speak to them. This is really very unfortunate, and I would not say anything. It's not a delay, as I said. See, the day the incident took place, the unfortunate incidents, that was on Saturday. Because Saturday office being closed and it was late in the evening. Then Sunday the office being closed. The Monday immediately cognizance was taken. ATR was sought. Because by the time the news was already there that the state commission has also taken cognizance. So then we would initiate the step. So once, the ATR was sought within 10 days, we did not receive the ATR. I was waiting for the ATR also. And then of course the Women Commission, the State Women Commission to complete its inquiry. And after that now I have come here. I am here tomorrow also, and I would be coming once again if need be so. Let me complete it because it is a very initial state. I would like to speak to each victim, all of them, the girls and the boys. I would be speaking to the police. I would also like to know what has happened. So it will take its own course. It will take some time. But the moment the inquiry is complete, the report is going to be submitted to the chairperson of the Women Commission, National Women Commission.
For spot inspection, she later visited the morning mist homestay. Foggy weather, poor visibility and early morning rains have disrupted international as well as domestic flight operations at the Mangalore International Airport. Air India flight from Dubai, which was supposed to land in Mangalore at around 6:20 am Thursday, was redirected to Kozhikode, Kerala due to poor visibility in Bajpet. Airport sources told that the flight landed after a delay of around 3 hours. Even the Jet Airways domestic flight from Chennai to Bangalore arrived after 3-hour delay. Jet Spice was expected to land at 8 am but could land only at 11 am. The Air India Express aircraft, which had damaged its tires after a harsh landing on August 14th, was back in operation after undergoing maintenance. The flight was back in operation and flew to Abu Dhabi. Now take a short commercial break. Gateway Cardamom relaunched, offers traditional Tuluva cuisine.